Billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk announced the latest addition to his company SpaceX's arsenal. The BFR could revolutionize transport on Earth as well as in space. Musk said the vessel would both take off and land vertically like a space rocket, and for Earth travel will take off from floating launch pads moored outside major cities. It would fly most routes, New York to Tokyo, for example, in about 30 minutes, and anywhere in under an hour, and Musk says the cost per seat should be about the same at full fare economy in an aircraft. A trip from Bangkok to Dubai would take 27 minutes, and from Tokyo to Delhi in 30 minutes, according to his calculations. It could even take people on rapid trips around Earth, with a flight from London to Dubai taking 29 minutes, while passengers will spend just half an hour in the air on flights from London to New York. Once you're out of the atmosphere, it would be as smooth as silk. No turbulence, nothing. He said, there's no weather and you can get to most long-distance places in less than half an hour. If we are building this thing to go to the moon and Mars, then why not go to other places on Earth as well? The rocket will be bigger than any other in existence and will take satellites to orbit, crew and cargo to the International Space Station, and even lead manned missions to the moon, reaching speeds of 18,000 miles per hour. The BFR could carry between 80 and 200 people per trip on flights to Mars, with the rocket's first manned trip planned for 2024. Importantly, Musk claims the rocket will be relatively cheap as it is planned to be fully reusable, while SpaceX's current flagship Falcon 9 rocket is only partially reusable for lengthy transits to Mars, which could take anywhere from 150 to 300 days. The BFR boasts 40 cabins and large common areas in the craft's nose. The nose also houses a central storage area, galley and solar storm shelter to keep passengers safe during dangerous bouts of solar activity. The BFR will use 31 Raptor engines to produce a liftoff thrust of 5,400 tons, lifting a total mass of 4,400 tons. Once pressurized, its cabin volume reaches 825 cubic meters, more than that of an Airbus A380 cabin. In the next 6 to 9 months, Musk claims SpaceX will start building the first ship. I feel fairly confident that we should be able to complete the ship and have our first launch in about 5 years. 5 years seems like a long time to me. The billionaire and PayPal founder, who made the announcements at the 2017 International Astronautical Congress in Adelaide, Australia, said SpaceX's other products would be cannibalized to pay for the BFR. To cut costs, the firm has shrunk the size of the rocket ship it is developing to go to Mars, aiming to start construction on the first spaceship in the first half of next year. Musk said the SpaceX boss had previously planned to use a suite of space vehicles to support the colonization of Mars, beginning with an unmanned capsule called Red Dragon in 2018. However, he now says the company is focused on a single, slimmer and shorter rocket instead. We want to make our current vehicles redundant, he said. The SpaceX CEO said the BFR would take its first trip to Mars in 2022, carrying only cargo, followed by a manned mission in 2024. The rocket could even be used for rapid travel on Earth, with Musk claiming passengers would be able to get anywhere in under an hour. He said it would take just 39 minutes to shuttle passengers between New York and Shanghai, and would cost the same as an economy air ticket. In order to land on Mars, the rocket will have a propulsive landing method similar to the one used by Falcon 9. Musk also shared concept images of a human settlement, saying he wanted to make the red planet a nice place to be with a sustainable human population of around 1 million. I can't think of anything more exciting than being out there among the stars, he said. If we're building this thing to go to the moon and Mars, then why not go to other places on Earth as well? Musk said it would take just 39 minutes to shuttle passengers between New York and Shanghai, and would cost the same as an economy air ticket. It's really crazy that we build these sophisticated rockets and then crash them every time we fly, he said. This is mad.